Being able to see the technology that's out there and saying, how is this going to work for us? How are these principles going to work for us is really, really valuable.
Trying to find out if there are any areas of synergy where we can have SolidWorks help us with our product lifecycle management.
VR, augmented reality, machine learning, that topic was really cool. I know that's the future. I know my job's going to be optimized eventually.
The Seagate speaker was excellent. I enjoyed the one on the Internet of Things.
The whole Internet of Things stuff is really interesting.
I liked the Internet of Things speech. Interesting to see how we can maybe implement that into some of the products we're designing for our customers.
How'd you like this VR technology here?
It was sweet, man. It was a lot of fun. You get real turned around in there. You kind of forget where you are. So it was kind of cool. You move around and see the different sides of it, and it's all rendered right there in 3D.
Smashing planets together never makes you feel so big. It was cool. It was a cool experience to check out where it's come to.
I came because I'm interested in learning more about the new rendering software.
I really enjoyed the practical applications I could see with DriveWorks.
We came here to try to better understand how SolidWorks and different companies have used it in different ways to try to find unique applications that tie into our niche. And just the more immersive you can get with your technology or your product that you're trying to make, the better you're going to be as an engineer.
Not only did he give us a lot of tools for moving from 2D to 3D, he gave me a lot of tools that I can use on the industry side.
If you're going to sum MechFuse up, what would it be?
Improving SolidWorks for the future.
Electrifying.
Intriguing.
Intriguing. I like it.
Building.
I'll just say illuminating.
An unexpected pleasant surprise.
Typical Internet of Things.
Fun.
It's enormous, splendid, nice job guys.